It's very much clear that we will stand against the WACPA Act 2025. Press conferences working president, ex-MLA, ex-minister, MPCC minority leaders. Present media की सिनाव सिंगे निकाय कुम्नसरी अखोई की पार्टी की स्टेट मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी की सु अखोई की सेल्फ लीडर ना हाईवी करे अखोई की is very much clear that we will stand against the WACPA Act 2025 अखोई मसी की मायोग ते लेपी लेकिन ना मसी की 2025 WACPA Act 2025 से मसी illegal ni unconstitutional ni masina fundamental rights ta yamna sohale karigumba akhoi gi minority community particularly muslim sinau singda masi fundamental rights in sohale leiriba akhoi gi WACPA akhoi gi Act 2025 sida yauriba akhoi gi madu gi non muslim sing madu yahun gani haiba amadi loina madudai duda akhoi gi waqif WACPA board ta donate torokiba lamsing madu mayam singdu akhoi gi WACPA board ki oirakta ba yabagi fiham lak pasina singba amasung violations of the article 13 14 15 and 25 26 hairiba article 13 da piriba fundamental right ta piriba mayam singse atop community amagi particular community amagi madugi leiriba mayam inconsistent toyo haibidi law semba matamda act semba matamda atop provision dama da yauriba mayam singdu madu interfere to lena article akhoi 15 da piriba discriminatory oiba asigumba mayam lakpa article 25 ta piriba akhoi right to freedom of religion adagi asigumba mayam particularly akhoi gi article 26 the piriba mayam sing atopa community particular community amada magi freedom of religion mayam sin sing mayam sing si gross violations of the fundamental rights of the Indian constitution maram asina masi akhoi puno mangni yaba ngamoy loina na masina particular community amada madugi piriba hak mayam sing ado madu manghalai maram asina India ki leiriba akhoi gi secularism da thajaba yumfam oiba akhoi gi constitution mayam singa do tapna tapna akhoi sokchela pa amasung BJP gi leina asina ngasi minority kuri makta attack taw pase masi akhoi AICC na su already akhoi gi bill si JPC joint parliamentary committee da refer taw pa da su masi khana gare madu oppose again masi gi bill du matam da bill du pura Lok Sabha da taw pa da su oppose again transfer to Rajya Sabha madu da su oppose akhoi gi leader of opposition akhoi gi party ki leader sing loina na hauzik ek kongre WACPA Act 2025 masi gi ek ase masi repeal to gadabni haibasi this is our clear stand maramaduna masi unconstitutional loiba illegal loiba amasung particular community made effect obase akhoi gi India da unity amasung secularism piriba basic rights me am sing se masi manghal lakani maramaduna akhoi gi stand di akhoi low court satpa koi self leadership law piriba maduda ekoi emphasis vigani amasung we will do the challenge against this similarly loina naina aroibada point ama thamjaning badi haiba masi bill dagina ekole masi gi bill si dagi discussion to matamda in India ekoi gi vlog masina kan ekoi protest to loina na masigi bill ki proceeding amasung masigi Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha right from the JPC masidagi amuk torokan da koina protest tawriba masi ek on ba yaroina haiba matam sida ANDA gi alliance NPP amasung Janata Dal United haiba alliance asigi political parties sing asina no matasu oppose tawrakta NPP National People Party akhoi Meghalaya da base tawa makoina no matasu masigi bill si pura taw matamda oppose taw gi political party moina adagi as a MLA, as a MP, or political party, Amapoina, Masigi, Magi, Bill discussion that opposed or Kini. Loina Janatal Dal United, Magi MP Singh, and the MLA Singh, opposed or Kini. Very recently, Marangahanda, Janatal Dal United MLA, opposed the week or the second case the Uni Haiba. ANPP party ki state unity president, Masi opposed the week Haiba. MLA NPP ki opposed the week or the second Haiba. Masidi politically courage later, Tauna later, sitting on the fence. I will give fence the Pamala, Tauna later, Aduga, proceeding Bilgi, put up the objection to the equal kind of opposed we have said, Masidi, Tauna later, Masum, meaning later, I think political party, Miam Sinsina, higher Pasi, I did knowing Bofawi. Maramaduna, Tauna later, Karigi, the matter bill, proceeding the Bilgi discussion, the debate, Madu opposed we wapundo, being the MLA, being the MPs of Janata Dal United and the NPP, Madu Karigi Matam Sanata Hogabano, equal Hakanda Lebaxi, I quay, May Sabakanda, community could even effect or can the equal Akanda city, Yam Nanusibas had the Tower City. This is just like a crocodile stair. Masidi Equay, Misi of Matunda, Mika, none of a Kolau Launi, High Logum de Aduna, I Masishu, I quay political party, Lady Janata Dal United. Amasung ama the NPP na quarter case the Rokani High City already a Congress party a top party the national level the Suta state unit so quite of same Southern lady as long as I get over party sing do Madu I Munna Pradasina Nainabi Omsum Kanavi, I was Tanzania.